I feel like I'm horrible at cooking, and you're pretty decent, so that the natural progression would be to start a cooking show.
That makes the most sense.
Let's go to the store, let's get what we need.
Fettuccine. Slowly.
Sounds good. Cultured butter like in the video. Mountain Dew.
Whoa, that ain't in the recipe.
Don't call me out on my we have everything else at home, we're good, right? Cool. Should we explain what we're doing first?
Most likely.
So the premise of this show, this idea, was that there's this subreddit, it's called r/Gif recipes, and I've always told Donovan jokingly, like, who follows that? And is like, oh, I'm just gonna cook that based off the recipe. The average person looks on there and thinks it's good, so they just look up a normal recipe. Right?
Right. So basically, what we're starting out with,
Yeah.
we got garlic bread
Uh-huh.
and fettuccine alfredo.
Yeah. From these two gifts.
For these two gifts, yes.
Yeah. Got this bread. Also, we both washed our hands already because we're good people.
Don't give us all of that.
You know, there's that person to be in the comment.
It's not that.
Should be. Oh, does it say locked?
I know, what? Yeah.
Ugh.
Well, I see it's off.
Okay, cool. Ugh.
Bam.
Yeah!
3 minutes. And then add some of the pasta water into here.
Yeah.
Together, pepper it, and then put the pasta in, and then add the cheese, melt it.
I should probably start grating some cheese, right?
Yeah, you should.
Okay. Let's do that.
Alright.
Oh my god. Ugh. There. Almost stabbed one of us in the process. Yeah. That's the risk I have to be willing to take.
For, what's that? Yeah, cheese.
Yeah. For, that important, what is that thing? Cheese. Both our dogs, sorry, my dogs,
Yeah.
2 of them, they're just watching us. They're literally
They're our
just,
audience.
they're just sitting right next to the camera, and they're just watching us.
Shout out to Windsor.
Shout out to Windsor and Livy and your dog at home.
Yeah, Mochi, who's probably sleeping on my pillow.
Who's not a live audience, but she'll be supporting us. She'll be one of our 7 views.
That's even have a high mood.
Just like,
I mean, mine is like Inferno level.
yeah, but that's because your kitchen is like, the Fallen Kingdom Minecraft music video?
Yeah.
That castle's nice. His kitchen would belong in that castle. Alright? I wanted to use it today, but your mom was using it or something.
Oh, yeah.
How rude.
Because she just has to make cakes.
Wait, she's making cake? Hi, Windsor. You want a little bit of cheese? Come here. Sit. I'm just gonna drop it. There you go, buddy. This looks so cool though. Like, I know this is probably simple to like any person that actually cooks, but I never cook. Ever. So I feel really cool right now.
I know, cooking is an art, man.
Yeah, and I'm not artistic at all, so this is cool to me. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's like, also with cooking, when people say, oh, I don't know how to cook, it's like, no, you just don't cook.
That's exactly, and that's one of the reasons I want to do this, because I feel like if I actually just start doing it, I will get better at it.
Yeah, it's simple as that.
So, yeah.
We learn as we go.
Yeah, so are you just going to send this to everyone we know?
Pretty much.
Really? So I didn't plan on sending this to anyone I know.
Well, I know they're probably gonna roast me on it.
Oh, dude, we're gonna get flames. We're gonna actually get demolished by all our friends.
Hey, you don't blame a guy for trying.
Yeah, all right. Everyone thinks it's a dumb idea until it works.
Exactly.
So,
Yeah.
do you have to break them or no? Isn't that a thing? They did it in Ratatouille.
It is a thing, feel like it's gonna be.
The extent of my cooking knowledge is watching Chopped with my sister when she's in town and Pixar movies. Okay, I was just trying to spread it in between each side. Just taking a little bit of that. I think this is going good. I'm being a little generous with the butter, which means it's running out a little fast, but I think I'd rather have more, quality pieces of garlic bread over quantity.
You speak the truth.
Thank you.
Alright, y'all. Y'all know what we're looking for whenever you boil pasta. You want it to cook in steamy, salty water. And I hope I put enough salt in it because...
I poured it in there. I feel like we're gonna be fine.
Yeah, because when you first pour it in there, it has to be salty, it has to be salt water.
Really?
Your noodles are gonna be bland as heck.
Really?
Yeah. I had to learn that the hard way.
Well, I didn't know that until now, so cue the more you know thing. We need a dishwasher.
You don't have a dishwasher?
No, we're a small company, but we need to hire a dishwasher.
Oh, yeah. I know, honestly.
Yeah. So,
okay, I'm gonna get
text or call me and Donovan. We need a dishwasher.
We need a dishwasher, yeah.
You'll get 20% of the video's ad revenue.
Just kidding, you won't get anything.
No, they'll get 20%.
We're cheap that way.
Yeah. 20% of zero is still zero.
I think so, yeah.
Is that enough ground cheese? Or,
Ground cheese.
ground cheese.
That's the first time I've ever heard of
the ground cheese, what's it called? I know this.
Shredded?
Yeah, shredded. I know that, I swear. I have a strainer right here. Yeah, it's over here.
Alright.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, just make it. Windsor back away.
Windsor, this is dangerous for a little young pup like yourself to be here.
I don't want to know about little.
No, he's still little. Since I already have my hands all dirty. Look at him. He's still little.
He's our sponsor.
Yeah. Cuteness! Cuteness. Alright.
Okay.
I need to wash my hands again.
For what, your fifth time?
It's like the fourth, alright?
Okay, Windsor, you really
And it was fifth. It was fourth. Thank you very much.
And I'm really hungry, so...
Yeah, same. Did you eat breakfast this morning?
No.
I didn't either. It's like 1 p.m. So
1 p.m. light. I mean,
yeah, no, we're gonna.
The Italians, they throw half a ton of cheese.
Yeah, we're going hard in the paint when it comes to cheese here, right? We ain't playing no games.
Yeah, we want.
Oh, you smell that? Okay, that sounds actually super good.
No.
Need to buy another card for that one. Alright. Oh, heck yeah. Are you freaking kidding me?
Oh man. Oh my god. That is always the best smelling thing I've ever...
We made that!
I know, we made it!
Bro!
Man, check this
Okay.
out.
Serve us up some pasta, and I'll get us the garlic bread. I feel like
it's garlic.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
Ah.
Sorry,
So
buddy.
why you have to be the way?
I'm sorry. I feel like I could have been more generous with the butter, but that was more of an issue of we didn't have enough so that I could be generous with the butter. Next time.
Next time.
Next. Should we eat now?
I think so.
Okay. Wow.
Not too bad. I'll take the W.
I'll take. You know what? This is a dub. This is a straight dub. What would you rate the pasta itself? What would you rate that?
Our lettering system?
Yeah, lettering.
I'll probably rate it a B+.
I'm gonna say a B or a B+. Garlic bread?
Oh, that's like... I would say just an A.
I feel like the garlic bread was an A+ for me, personally.
Really?
Yeah, definitely. I know, like I said, there's room for improvement, but that's why it's not S tier.
That is true. We got a lot to work.
We got a lot to work on, alright?
But how else do you learn, man? How else do you learn?
By following just recipes that are 30 seconds long from the internet, from strangers posted, and then just posting your process on YouTube to strangers, except for the few friends that you're going to send this to. It's kind of funny how we wanted to start a YouTube channel based on cars. So we both really like cars. He wants a Tesla, and I really want either a Jeep Gladiator or like a Mustang, and we've been talking about it forever, and then like the other day we're like, oh, let's start a cooking show.
Yeah. It's like, how does that even like incorporate?
I have no clue, but dang it, I'm having fun and this is good food. Alright. I forgot that was there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was in that. We need to buy another tripod really bad. Next time we'll do better. However, next time will be harder because we're not going to get to choose what we make.
Yep.
So that will be interesting. Is that it?
I think that's it.
Okay, that's it. Until next time.
Until next time.